let's say you bought it right here, right? You see it right on the line. You got in a little early because you didn't do what? You didn't wait for the break and hold, right?
Hmm.
Well, what does that mean, coach? It means if it pops through, that's not the entry because it can go right here again and then it can pop through. That's not the entry. And then it can go right here and then it can pop through. That's not the entry, is it? You need it to break through and then have more position. Either a really long candle comes through it, or you then get like another second confirmation candle, which is this one. You see it? Comes through. So this one was a long candle, plus it's the second candle. Let me clear this. It's also the second candle that came through. You see this little point? So that is now two candles that came through, right? So that is, this second candle is your confirmation, which means if you bought it anywhere in here, you still got to ride this down, right? And because it's SPY, contract premiums are so expensive, you made a lot of money, even on that small move, right?